kindergarten, and welcome to another math lesson. We have been learning about counting from 1 to 10 using numbers, objects, and we just started learning counting backwards from 10 to 1. This is our last week exploring counting backwards 10 to 1. So today's math thinking job is I can arrange number towers in order from 10 to 1. So we're going to take those cube towers and we're going to order them from 10 to 1. You had some practice on this on one of your asynchronous days last week. So we're going to dive into learning all about 10 to 1 today. So repeat after me. I can arrange number towers in order from 10 to 1. Here we go. My friend, the bear, is back with us today and is going to help us count from 10 to 1. He wants to get to this jar of honey. Bears love honey. Do you like honey? Maybe you like to have it on a peanut butter sandwich, or maybe you have it in yogurt, or maybe you just like to eat honey. Well, my friend the bear loves honey, and he wants to get to the honey. But he's all the way up here, and he needs to get all the way down here. Can we help him get to the honey by helping him count down from 10 to 1? All right, let's do it. Bear is starting on the number 10. Remember, we're starting at 10 and we're counting backwards. When we count backwards, we need to take 1 away. It's 1 less. So Mr. Bear is at number 10. He needs to get all the way to the honey. If he goes to the next one, what's 1 less than 10? What's 1 less than 10? Let's count our number tower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is 1 less than 10. You move to the next one. 1 less than 9. We went from 10. 1 less is 9. Now we need to find out what's 1 less than 9. Let's count our number tower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is 1 less than 9. Let's keep going. 1 less than 8. 1 less than 8. Your teacher's going to pause the video and talk to you about what is 1 less than 8. What number tower is Mr. Bear on now? You probably said 7 is 1 less than 8. 7 is 1 less than 8. We started at 10. We counted down 9, 8, 7. You're probably noticing when we go down, we're taking 1 cube away. Let's do this one. He's so close to that honey. What is 1 less than 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is 1 less than 7. 5 is 1 less than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 1 less than 5? Your teacher's going to pause the video and talk about when Mr. Bear moved, what number is he on now? 4 is 1 less than 5. Now he's on 3. 3 is 1 less than 4. What are you noticing about the number towers as Mr. Bear moves down? Your teacher's going to pause the video and ask you, what do you notice about the number towers as Mr. Bear gets closer to the honey? You probably said that when he moves down each tower, 1 cube is going away. You're taking away 1 cube. We go to this number tower. We now have the number 2 because 2 is 1 less than 3. He's so close. 1 is 1 less than 2, and he's at his honey. Say woohoo! Mr. Bear thanks you so much for helping him get to the honey by counting backwards. Let's go back to 10 and count down. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now that Mr. Bear just helped us count, we're going to use X's to show us taking 1 away. So we use an X to show that we take something away. We use X's all the time in Problem of the Day. We've started to use them in our math work, and today we're going to use X's to show 1 less. So we're going to count and say the number of cubes in the tower, and then count the cubes that are crossed out. We're going to say 1 less and write the number. So we're going to do the first one together. First, we're going to count the cubes in the tower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 cubes in the tower. We've crossed out 1. 1 less is 9. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you're going to count the number of cubes in each tower, then count the cubes that are crossed out and say 1 less and write the number. All right, we've already done this one. Let's do this one. We know we have 9 cubes in the tower. We cross 1 out. 1 less is 8. 1 less is 7. 1 less is 6. 1 less is 5. 1 less is 4. 1 less is 3. 1 less is 2. 1 less is 1. 1 less, what's that number when we have none? Nothing. What is the math word? 0. We have 0. Now, we're going to count and color cubes in the towers and cross out the top cube off and then write the number. And we're going to draw the next tower to show 1 less cube until there's no towers left. We're going to practice this together, as in Seesaw today, you're going to practice drawing towers. So let's start with this first. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to write 10 in this box. I want to make the number that's 1 less. 1 less. So I'm going to put an X here. What would be my next number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is my next number. I'm going to write 9 here, and I'm going to draw 9 cubes. I already have 1. I'm going to draw onto this 1. So 1, count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. 1 less than 9 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to draw 8 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do one more. All right, find out 1 less than 8. I'm going to cross this out, and it helps me know what number comes next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is 1 less than 8. I'm going to draw 7 cubes. 1, 2, count with me, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to stop here as you're going to continue this work in Seesaw today. In Seesaw, you're going to continue the work that we did in our lesson today, counting from 10 to 1. Remember, you can show taking 1 away, 1 less, by putting an X. So on the 1 page, you're going to count the number of cubes in each stair and cross out the top cube. Use your words to say 10, 1 less is 9, 1 less is 8, and keep going while you count. Then you're going to write the numbers at the bottom of each stair after you cross the top cubes out. Then you're going to do the work we just did by drawing the cube towers, crossing them out, and writing the number. All right, Kipsters, until next time.